All right, welcome, welcome. So in this video, I want to show you how you can start making money commenting on Facebook posts. Easy, free. All right, that's it. So this is the system that you need. It's called the OLSP one-page funnel system. And as you can see, I've already made about $477 already with this system. Okay, so how do you use this system to make money on Facebook? Guaranteed, just commenting on Facebook posts. So let me tell you the steps, because you need to follow some few steps to be able to achieve that. All right, so step one, if you don't have a Facebook account, just like me, this is my Facebook account, right? All right, so if you don't have a Facebook account, go create a Facebook account for free. Okay, that's it. It's free of charge. Create a Facebook account. Now, if you have a Facebook account, then sign into your Facebook. You must sign into your Facebook account. Okay, that's the first thing. Sign into your Facebook account. Then the second thing, you have to join the OLSP one-page funnel system. It's compulsory. You must join this system. And how much does it cost you to join this system? It's just a one-time fee of $7. That's all. You just pay $7 one time and you are part of this system. And now you can earn money just posting comments on Facebook. Okay, now once you have joined this system, you will have a page just like mine. Okay, now what you want to do, you just want to scroll down to this software called the Comment Dominator. Do you see the software? This software is called a Comment Dominator. So you get this software for free as a bonus when you join the OLSP one-page funnel system. Okay, so you get this as a bonus that you can use to earn commission just commenting on Facebook posts. Now let's move on quickly. So now this system pays you 25 cents per comment. 25 cents, because they want to promote their post on Facebook, so they need you to comment on their Facebook post. Okay, so that's how you do it. So let me show you how you do how it all works out. So remember, step one, sign into your Facebook account. I want to assume you already have Facebook, so sign into your Facebook account. Step two, join the one-page funnel system. You must join this system because there's no other way you can do it. And it's only cost you $7 one time. Okay, now step three, go to this Comment Dominator Pro software. Once you join the system, you are going to have access to it. So come to this Comment Dominator Pro. You see that? Then come where it says Access Product. Click on it. Awesome. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now, the first thing you want to do, make sure you watch this video. Okay, very important. Watch that video, then scroll down. So these are all the posts on Facebook that you can comment on. Okay, some people have paid for this post, but they need your comments. You get me? So now you can comment on this post. You can see I tried to comment on one, and and you can see I've already made 25 cents doing it. So it works, right? So let's scroll down. So what you want to do next is to choose a post. You can comment on all of them. Okay, they are all there for you to comment on, and you will be paid for your comments. Okay, so what you want to do first, like I'm going to comment on this post, this second post here. So then what you want to do is to view the post. Okay, so when you come to view post, so click on that view post. Like I told you, make sure your Facebook account is open, and make sure you have signed into your Facebook account. This only works when your Facebook account is open. So click on view post. Let's wait. Yeah, because my Facebook account is open. Just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. It's taking a while. All right, so it's fully loaded. So this comment, they are looking for, this post, they are looking for comments, okay? So what you do, this is the post. So you scroll down to where you comment. Look at everybody is commenting. So you come down, you know how to comment on Facebook. So now we are going to comment on this post. The post is about a training. So let's see. So now I'm going to write a comment, okay? So make sure you write a real comment. Don't do copy and paste, okay? Now let's go. Let's look at this. This is an awesome. Let's see, what is it? It's a webinar, right? Yeah, this is an awesome webinar. I learned a lot from Wayne. I learned a lot from Wayne. So you have to I learned a lot from Wayne. Let me see. Sorry, guys, because you have to make sure it's so good. I was able to set up my account and quickly get traffic to it. Okay, it was a very wonderful experience. Okay, so I've written my comment. Okay, before I post it, what you want to do, I want to copy it. So copy that comment you wrote. Copy, very, very important. Make sure you copy the comment. Then now you post it. So you can see my post. So I've posted on it. So you see that, okay? So you copy your comment first. If you have not copied it, go ahead and copy your comment. Very, very important. So I copied that comment. So I'm going to put it in a notepad. So I'm just putting it in a notepad so I don't lose my comment, because this is very important. So that is the comment that I made on the post. You saw it, right? So I have made this comment on this post. Okay, so what you want to do next, come back to your comment Dominator again. Yeah, come back to your comment Dominator. This is the post, right? Remember, this was the post. Now what you do, you see where it says submit. You see that? So click on submit comment. You see that? So very, very important. So click on that submit. Now you have to paste that comment here. You see that? So I've pasted the comment here. And now the next thing, you click create. Successfully created. So now my comment has been successfully created. You can go ahead and click here that says my comment. And you look at it here. This is the comment, okay? And the comment is pending because they have to approve your comment, okay? So they have to approve your comment. They have to make sure it's not copy paste. You know, they either approve it or they don't approve it. And if they have approved your comment, this is what will happen. You will see commission assigned. This was the one I did before. Now, this is the one I'm doing right now to show you how it works. So it's commission pending, okay? So that's good. So very soon, this will change to 2 commissions. 2 comments, sorry. Let me even refresh the page because sometimes it may have already changed. Yeah, look at it. 2 is now 2 comments that I have, right? You know, so I'm waiting. Once it's approved, if they like it, then they're going to add another 25 cents to my account. Can you see how easy it is to make money with this Comment Dominator Pro software? Very, very easy, right? So I hope you can follow and do the same and start making money just commenting on Facebook posts with this awesome software. All right, you asking the question, Victor, how do I join the 1-page funnel system, okay, so that I can also earn commissions like this? Easy commission, just commenting on Facebook post. That may just be your question you want to ask so that you too can start making a lot of money and hopefully get to this above this amount of money, maybe in your thousands, just commenting on other people posts with this software. All right, so if you are ready to join the 1-page funnel system and start commenting, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? So once you come below this video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the OLSP 1-page funnel system. Go ahead, click that first link. Once you click the first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Now, what you want to do, you just want to enter your first name here, just like this, and then you want to enter your best email address, okay? Very important, just like this. Then you see this box that says I'm not a robot. Go ahead, check that box, okay? Awesome. Then you see the blue button here that says get instant access. Go ahead, click that blue button. Yeah, now that will bring you to this video sales page, okay? So where once you get here, you can go ahead and watch the video, okay? But to join the 1-page funnel system, come below the video to this orange box that says click here to get instant access. Now this is the cost. It costs you only $7 one time. And just imagine if you comment on a lot of posts, you will just recover your $7 and make more money very, very fast, okay? Even in thousands of dollars, just commenting on other people's posts is amazing. So it only costs you $7 one time. So go ahead, click this orange button, and once you do that, your own OLSP 1-page funnel system will be created, okay? And once you have your account like this, just scroll down, remember, till you find the Comment Dominator Pro software, all right? And just repeat the process every time. every day until you make a lot of money doing this. All right, so guys, this is it. So if you are interested, click that first link and join. It's just $7 one time. All right. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button so many people will know about this easy way to make money online. And look, make sure you subscribe to this channel always and click the bell notification button. All right. So guys, that is it. With that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.